Hello everyone, this is Reggie with another video. This one's pretty exciting. This video is a technical analysis for Bitcoin. I know a lot of you guys love to trade Bitcoin, and I know like most of us, we wish we would have bought around here in 2017 when it was trading for under 1,000. Like we're here, where we at? It's 2016, $700. I mean, and now we're talking $21,000 from 700 bucks. A $700 investment. If you bought one Bitcoin for 700 bucks just a few years ago, it'd be worth 20 grand. Right? That's just ridiculous, ridiculous. So anyway, let's do some technical analysis and see where this thing is going. It's been red hot lately. It's been gapping up. Let's draw some trend lines here. This is the monthly chart, and right now we've got. If for some reason it crashes down, we have support here at the $13,800 mark. Let's draw some trend lines, see where it's going. And Bitcoin, I don't see it backing out anytime soon. We got PayPal now that offers Bitcoin, so you can now buy things with your Bitcoin. We got a trend here, which will be support. And at this point, it looks like, let's go from the beginning. Yep, it matches perfectly. So Bitcoin right now is at 21,000, just broke the 20,000 mark and kept going, and it's roaring upwards. It's way outside the Bollinger Band here, which is the only red flag because at some point it's got to come back inside the Bollinger Band. So it has to have a red day to do that. That's the monthly chart. This is the daily chart, and we probably see it a little better as far as the trend with the daily chart. This thing is not giving me enough room to work with. Bear with me here. So with Bitcoin, we've got a lot of trends and upward momentum. We had a little sideways trend here with the Bollinger Band. And look down here, volume, volume, volume. That's what you need to get things moving. We've got huge volume with Bitcoin. Our RSI indicator is showing not in overbought territory yet, but heading that way. Our MacD indicator has shown a golden cross. We have a golden cross in the MacD indicator, which means this red line, this golden line, which usually, if it's on top, represents downwards trend, has crossed over the blue moving indicator here. So now it is the lead indicator, and it's crossed over that golden line, which means uptrend. We have a green. We have green here. We have a green column. We have a green column, and as that green column starts, it starts the upward trend. As you can see, once it turns green, it's very difficult for it to turn back. So, looking at a lot of upside now with Bitcoin. It's the daily chart. Let's look at a weekly chart. Oops, switched to 5 minute by mistake. So our weekly chart, again, is showing a little extended above that Bollinger Band, but it's holding its own. So it's not too bad. I don't think we should crash too much based off the Bollinger Band. Just that monthly one kind of concerns me because it's extended way outside. But when it comes to the weekly and daily chart, it's just touching the Bollinger Band right outside. All right, so the weekly chart looks pretty good. Let's draw a trend line of support, which I can already see here. So tomorrow, if we do come down, we should come down. I mean, if it does come down for some reason, which it's got so much steam, I don't see it happening. We'll come down to 19th. It may go under the 20,000 and 19.7 if it has a retracement. Red flag here on the weekly chart is the volume. As you can see here on the weekly, the volume is a little weak, and this represents this week, and we already, basically got 2 days left in the week, so we're going to end on a low volume. We get a huge rush the next 2 days. So we're below the average volume for Bitcoin. You need volume to keep this momentum going. If not, it's going to drop slightly. But I believe with a drop in Bitcoin, that'll be good because then the buyers will flood in because nobody wants to buy way up here, right? You want to buy. So the first drop you see, you'll probably see it just thundering back to the top again because people are buying on the dip. So on a daily chart, we had huge volume for today, well above the average. Tomorrow we'll see what happens. But right now, Bitcoin is on a tear. According to the MacD indicator, this is what you want to see from the MacD. The beginning of this cross means it's nothing but blue sky from here. Unless sometimes it'll give you a little pump fake, but look at the trajectory of that blue line. I don't see that coming down anytime soon. So Bitcoin is on a tear. It's looking good. I look forward to following the next few days. Any questions? Please leave it in the comment section, and I'll try to respond to you. If you have anything else you would like me to do a technical analysis on, feel free to leave that in the comments section. Again, this is Reggie, and also like and subscribe. That way, you'll get notifications from YouTube about the different videos that I do based on technical analysis of stocks and the stocks that are moving, or even if there's a crash ahead. I kind of try to get you heads up on that. Again, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comments, feel free to leave in the comment section. This is Reggie with Stock Talk. I'll see you in the next video. Yes.